Forgot your Apple account password? Don't throw your phone just yet. This video shows you how to fix it in under 2 minutes. This is the Fix Desk. Let's fix it. We've all been there before, right? We're trying to download an app, update an app, and we're prompted for our password. With today's day and age, we have so many passwords they're easy to forget. This is a simple solution on how to fix it. Grab your iPhone, let's go into our settings, simply tap on those. Once you're here, you'll see your name at the top. Go ahead, tap on it. Then we're going to look for an option that says sign in and security. We will tap there. Now, depending on your iOS, you may see password and security. So if you do see that, go ahead and tap it. But once we're here, you'll see the option to change password. This is where we're going to click on change password, and we're prompted to enter our iPhone passcode. This will give us the ability, once we enter it, to pick a new password. So go ahead and enter your passcode, and it'll give us the option to do the password. Now, if you don't get to this screen, if you're prompted for your password first, once you tap on your name, try to enter a password 3 times, 4 times. On the 3rd or 4th incorrect attempt, it will give you an option to select forgot password. But anyways, we were prompted for our passcode. We were able to enter our passcode, and now we are being prompted to enter our new password. So it does need to be at least 8 characters long. A number needs to be included, and also a special character. You're going to type it in. Once you have that, it is going to ask you to confirm it. So type it in again and then hit continue. That will change the password. Once we have it updated, go ahead, write it down, keep it in a safe place. I don't recommend keeping it on your phone, because if you get locked out of your phone, then you don't have it. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more simple solutions.